So children, prepositions in, on, behind, under, above, between, into, up, down, over, all these words are called preposition words. And prepositions tell us where something or someone is. कोई भी चीज, कोई भी थिंग कहाँ पर है, उस प्लेस को बताने वाले शब्द को प्रपोजिशंस कहते हैं. लुक एट द पिक्चर below and see where the caterpillars are. See in your English textbook, page number 108, one big apple is given. On this apple, there are some caterpillars. They are on the apple, on different parts of the apple. Okay, apple का different places में वो है. And here question is, look at the picture below and see where the caterpillars are. Caterpillars कहाँ कहाँ पर है, उस places को हम लोग identify करेंगे. Look at this, the first caterpillar. Okay, this is a caterpillar, A-B-O-V-E, above the apple. Here, the word above is a preposition. Okay, preposition word है. Above is usually, okay, generally used when you want to say that something is higher than another object. कोई भी चीज दूसरे ऑब्जेक्ट से ऊपर में है तो जैसे ऊपर में, उस वर्ड को हिंदी वर्ड को ऊपर में, हिंदी वर्ड को इन इंग्लिश अबव कहते हैं. अंडरस्टैंड, एक चीज दूसरे चीज से ऊपर में है. अंडरस्टैंड, द कैटरपिलर इज अबव द एप्पल. लुक एट दिस, ऑलरेडी आई हैव ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लेन्ड. वन मोर एग्जाम्पल, हिज हेड इज अबव द वाटर. वाटर से ऊपर में है इसका हेड. अंडरस्टैंड. एंड वन मोर एग्जाम्पल, लुक एट दिस, द एरोप्लेन फ्लू above the clouds. Here two options are given, on and above. On means पर. On means एक चीज दूसरी चीज से टच होती है. above means टच नहीं होते. The aeroplane flew above the clouds. Clouds के ऊपर में एरोप्लेन फ्लाई की थी. Understand? Next, on the apple. On means here, on means पर. Okay? It means one thing touches the other object or its surface. एक चीज दूसरे चीज को टच करती है. Okay, so then we use on. See, this caterpillar is on the apple. Apple के ऊपर है ना, apple को टच कर रही है ना, apple पर है. And look at this, one more example here in the exercise. One more sentence is there. The dog is sleeping dash the carpet. Where is the dog sleeping? It is sleeping on the carpet. Carpet पर सो रही है. On means पर. Next, through the apple. Through means किसी माध्यम से, किसी चीज के द्वारा. Okay? This is a hole ना, एक big hole है. Through the apple. This caterpillar is coming out through the apple. Means apple की इस hole से बाहर आ रही है. Through means द्वारा. Next, inside the apple. Look at this. Inside means पूरी तरह से अंदर. This caterpillar is, half of the caterpillar is inside the apple. Inside means under. Okay, under. I will show you one example. Look at this. The teacher and children are inside the classroom. Classroom के अंदर ही रहते हैं ना. Classroom में पढ़ाई होती है ना, teaching होती है ना. The teacher and children are inside the classroom. Inside means under. Next, you pick up the apple. Up means upwards, ऊपर की तरफ. DOW and down means नीचे की तरफ. Beside the apple. Beside means बगल में. Beside means बगल में. Understand? Beside means बगल में. See, this caterpillar is not touching the apple and apple also not touching the caterpillar. Means apple का बगल में है. For example, look at this. This is a ball. Where is the bat? The bat is beside the ball. The ball is beside the bat. Understand? And look at this. This is a milk glass. This is a milk glass. One cat is here. Where is the cat? The cat is beside the milk glass. Understand? Beside means बगल में. Next, below the apple. Below means नीचे. Means above and below, the things will not touch the one thing, does not touch other thing. See, below means apple के नीचे में है. इस caterpillar apple को touch नहीं कर रही. Understand? Look at this. Where is the pencil? Where is the So for example, where is the pencil? The pencil is below the eraser. Means eraser and pencil दोनों touch नहीं कर रहे हैं ना. The pencil is below the eraser. Understand? So these are this above, on, through, inside, up, beside, down, below. All these are preposition words.